The South Jordan Medical Clinic says it's seeing a huge increase in calls.
They're coming from people needing a doctor's note for work if they are sick. And the surge is directly related to the COVID-19 pandemic. Fox 13's Lauren Steinbrecher joins us with a message from that doctor to employers tonight. Lauren.
Yeah, Copperview Medical Center, they say those patients are calling in either they're sick and they're trying to call in sick to work, or they were sick, they're better now, they want to come back to their job. But first, they need a doctor's note. During a pandemic, there's extra steps to take for safety, like staying outside a doctor's office unless you're a patient. But many calls Copperview Medical Center says they're fielding is a step that doesn't need to be taken.
Our front staff and our triage staff is getting inundated with phone calls on a daily basis for, can I get a note just to say I can go back to work?
Employers, they say, are requiring doctor's notes, either saying an employee can come to work or they're too sick and need to stay home. Doesn't matter the symptoms, the boss wants to be sure.
They don't have COVID-19.
And during a pandemic, certainly a legitimate fear, but a trip to the doctor might not be necessary, which Copperview outlined in a note of their own that they're handing out to patients.
The CDC is recommending patients who are ill to not go to their doctor's office and request a note.
Healthcare provider offices and medical facilities may be extremely busy, the note says, and not able to provide such documentation. What they're telling patients to tell their employers instead.
If they are sick, we just recommend they stay home, and that their employer please let them stay home and not give them trouble.
Which, during a pandemic, is the recommended step anyway. Now, this letter from Copperview also asks an employer to please have a flexible sick policy. And if somebody is sick but they are feeling better, they should be able to come back to work after being symptom-free for 24 hours. Live in South Jordan, Lauren Steinbrecher, Fox 13 News, Utah.